On monsoon mayhem across North India. Let's move on to some breaking news coming in on the Rania Rao gold smuggling case. We're learning that the actress has now got a big shock from the DRI in the case. The DRI has issued a show cause notice to her, a notice demanding a payment of 102 crore rupees in penalty. It's a big number, viewers. It's the latest breaking news that is coming in the gold smuggling case. The DRI has issued a show cause notice to actress Rania Rao in the gold smuggling case. We're learning that her assets have been seized and a penalty has been issued now to the actor. Let's go across to Sri Lakshmi, my colleague joining me live from the Kannada newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, tell us the latest in the case that you're picking up. This is definitely a big setback for the actor.
Well, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, an agency which combats the illegal trading and tax evasion, is investigating this Rania Rao case, and explosive details have come out during the investigation. 127 kgs of illegal gold has been smuggled by this Rania Rao over a period of 1 year. Gold brought into Bengaluru from Dubai over a year. 4 accused, including Rania Rao, have received show cause notices in the case. Meanwhile, ED has already seized assets worth rupees 37 crores of Rania Rao. And with her assets seized, now this is a big blow to Rania Rao. We can remember the case that 33-year-old Harshvardhini Rania Rao, popular Kannada actress, arrested on March 3rd for smuggling gold from Dubai to Bengaluru, and she was carrying 14 kgs of foreign gold bars on her body, worth rupees. The gold was worth rupees around 12.5 crores, and we can also remember that her father, who is an IPS officer, Ramchandra Rao, was also sent on compulsory leave due to this case. It is also said that during the inquiry, it was revealed that Rania had illegally been misusing this police escorts to evade customs checks and exit through the airport. So investigation is going on now. This is a major blow to Rania Rao, 1 or 2 crore rupees of penalty, and more details awaited. Back to studio.
All right, Sri Lakshmi, thank you for giving us those very crucial details. Viewers, we slip into a very short break, but on the other side, we'll get you more details of how there's an internal fight that has now broken out in the BRS, leading to the suspension of BRS MLC K.